Shibenta ban Pynkhlain ke Rukom Treikam jang ke District Council Hakajala, Menteri Rangba Kajala ukan rat ki sangma ulalo mi kinong yalam jang ke District Council, kentup ke KHADC, JHADC, ban naga GHADC. Habakran syikilat patai khobor mentaka khatsan tarik jemang arja apsau, ukan rat ulaong baga jingmut jang ke nega jingyalang kalong ban penbet bat penwandur, ya ke Rukom Treikam, ke jing Donkam, ke Rukom Penyat ya ke Pisa Pynkhlain, ke Service Rule, bat lathau ke Special Committee, ke bala klik da Chief Secretary ringkat ke dekhot na ke District Council. Kawai bat ke benta ke baya mir jingmut kalong halor ke jing sa teng ki an ke bala pas ke District Council, bat ban penstat ya ke ni ke sorkar ke lathau ya ke Expert Committee, ban examine ya ke ni ki an ke basa teng. Kawai bat ke jingakran kalong ban penthamai ya ke Rukom Treikam ke District Council, halor ke Rukom Penyat Pisa tingka, ke jing penmi Pisa, bat ke Rukom Pen Treikam. Laya keren ru ika kam Pisa Pynkhlain ke jing Donkam pathar ke baklem nongrim ke belabu ke lai ke District Council ha ke jing e. Laya keren ru kumno ban ai jing hikai pentebit iki nong trei jong ki council. Ke jing yalang ke laya thiru kumno ban penne ban yada bat ban Pynkhlain ya ka riti dustur ke badai kamat ke bakong santam jong ke District Council.
So today we had a very productive meeting with the 3 autonomous district councils of our state, namely the Jayanti Hills, Khasi Hills and Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. And the objective of this meeting was in 3 different objectives. First objective was to look at the overall administration and the different rules, whether financial or HR or procurement policies, and ensure that wherever the district councils felt that they needed the support of the government and to work with the government in guiding them to ensure that the different rules are in place. We discussed all those details, and we are hopeful that all the district councils will put in their different administrative, HR, service rules, procurement policies, financial policies at different levels in all the district councils at the earliest. So detailed discussion took place, and we have formed a special committee which will be headed by the Chief Secretary, and the different district council officials will be members, and whatever guidance and whatever support is required will be done to ensure that that objective is met. The second objective was to go into all the bills that are pending in the last many years for different district councils, which are pending for different reasons, some at the department level, some at the council level, some at the law department level, and some even in the governor's secretariat. And hence we have asked the expert committee, which has been set up under the DCA, which will incorporate the different concerned departments and also the district councils, to examine all of these pending bills and find out the reasons why and where they are stuck, and work towards ensuring that they reach the logical conclusion that they should. So that's the second objective, which is to ensure that all the pending bills of the district councils are passed and cleared at the earliest. The third was regarding financial reformation in the different district councils. In detail, we discussed about the different financial situation and positions that the district councils are facing, the different manpower issues that they're having. For example, we saw that the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council has close to 1,500 employees, and about 5 years back they had about 2,500 employees, and salaries even exceeding to almost 5 crores is being paid on a monthly basis, 5 plus minus, I don't have the exact number with me, being paid by the district councils, in spite of, as I said, 1,000 employees reduction taking place as in terms of rationalization that took place in the council, Garhwal's district council. And similarly, the Jayant Hills District Council, which has approximately about 12 to 1400, I can't remember the exact number, of employees, and they're also facing similar hardship because of large manpower. And Khasi Hills, which has about 800, less than 800 employees. And hence, we looked at all those aspects. We looked at the revenues that they were getting, and we suggested that that experts can be engaged to ensure and see how the overall revenues can be augmented and increased in the different district councils. At the same time, the different assets that they have, the land and different buildings that they have, how they could be monetized and maximized in terms of revenue generation for the district councils, and also to find other ways in which more revenue can be raised. So that kind of financial reforms were discussed, and a roadmap was set. And again, the Chief Secretary will be heading a committee which will time and again examine this aspect and look into this issue on how to improve the overall financial health of the district councils. We also went into the different issues about the 15th Finance Commission fundings, and certain aspects need to be worked on, as there are more funds that are available from the center, and hence some more paperwork is required. Once we do that, we'll be able to get more funds from the center, and those aspects were discussed. And the end, we also discussed of the manpower at the district councils. We felt that overall the expertise and the manpower that is there existing in the councils, if we can find ways to train the manpower and improve the overall efficiency, it would go in the benefit of the council only. So those matters were also discussed. We also discussed about the different customary practices and cultural aspects, which is what one of the main objectives of the council is to preserve the culture and the heritage of our state. And hence, I propose to the different district councils that different kind of research and documentation needs to be done, and the state government would be happy to work with the different district councils to support them in whatever way possible, so that we are able to document and preserve the different cultural aspects and knowledge that are there in our customs. So these were the broad areas of discussion. Of course, this is just first initial phase. We do expect that many more such engagements will take place. Maybe not all of them at my level, but it may be at different departmental or DCA level or a chief secretary level. But we are ensuring that these different objectives that we have discussed today, that we'll be able to reach to a logical conclusion in those.